Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LendingTree affiliate integration for lead form conversions step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LendingTree affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Integrations section in the menu. Click on API Integration for detailed instructions. Review the documentation provided for API settings. Make sure to note your unique API key from the dashboard. Next, head to your website's content management system. Open the page where you want to add the lead form. Insert the HTML code provided by LendingTree. Ensure you place the code in the appropriate section of your page. Adjust the lead form settings according to your target audience. Customize the form fields to capture necessary information. Save your changes and preview the page. Test the form to verify that it submits correctly. Check your LendingTree dashboard to confirm lead tracking. Evaluate the performance of your lead form over time. Make adjustments based on data insights from your dashboard. Continue optimizing your integration for better conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.